Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can join picture with the green background easily for a better result. So here the device that I use today is iPhone. You can use these tips only for iPhone device, and before you do that, make sure that you already update your system iOS into the newest versions. Right after that, just open your photo. Now you just need to find the picture that you want to edit right here. I will let you do with this. So let's just edit this. So the thing that you have to do is just go tap and hold into the top of the object right here, so that there will be like a shine glazing into the top of the object, and then you just need to tap into the copy, and right after that you just need to go back into your home screen. Now open your Instagram application. In this Instagram, you just need to swipe it into the right side, and you will get the Instagram camera for the simulations, and then you just need to capture the random photos here, and then you just need to tap into the stretch mode dot, click draw, and click or pick the green color, and then you just need to tap and hold into the top of the screen, and the green color will be covering all the screens that you have. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into done and tap into the screen again, so you will get an access into the cursors to just go tap it and go click paste. And now you already got the pictures with a green screen right here. You just need to adjusting the positions as well as the size of the picture that you want to have. Now click the three small dots and go click save. And now you're done, so you already got the green screen for your picture. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.